New Google NotebookLM video update is insane. Today, I'm going to show you how Google just dropped a game changer. This update is so big, it's going to change how you learn. And it's totally free. We're talking about turning your boring documents into actual videos. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. And before we dive in, Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so here's what just happened. Google dropped this massive update to NotebookLM. And when I say massive, I mean it's going to blow your mind. They just added video overviews. And this is not just another boring feature. This is a complete game changer. They rolled this out just a few days ago. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to save hours of your time. Let me tell you what happened to me yesterday. I had this technical PDF about 3D manufacturing workflows, 39 pages of complex engineering documentation, detailed diagrams showing model-based definition processes, charts explaining how manufacturing is shifting from 2D drawings to 3D models, the kind of thing that would take me hours to digest. But instead of reading through all that, I uploaded it to NotebookLM, and in less than 5 minutes, it turned the whole thing into a video, with narration explaining how PDF technology is revolutionizing manufacturing, with visuals showing the evolution from traditional drawings to interactive 3D workflows, with everything I needed to understand the key concepts. And the best part, it pulled the exact technical diagrams from the document, explained the complex engineering processes, and turned dense manufacturing jargon into simple explanations. This is not some basic AI tool, this is next level stuff.
All right, let's get into it. We all think we know the PDF, right? It's just digital paper, the thing we use for resumes, for reports, for, well, everything. It's become the digital thread.
But wait, there's more, and this is where it gets really interesting. They didn't just add videos, they completely redesigned the whole studio panel. And this changes everything about how you can use NotebookLM. Before this update, you could only make one audio overview per notebook, one mind map, one study guide. That was it. Now, you can make as many as you want, different versions for different people, different topics. Think about this. You're a business owner. You have a big strategy document. Before, you could make one audio summary. Now you can make one for your sales team, one for your marketing team, one for your executives, all from the same document. Or let's say you're a student, you have course notes. You can make different video overviews for each chapter, different mind maps for each topic, all organized in one place. This is huge. But here's what nobody's talking about. The real power is in how these work together. The new studio panel lets you do multiple things at once. You can listen to an audio overview while looking at a mind map, or watch a video while reading a study guide. This is not just about saving time. This is about learning faster, understanding better, getting more done. And I haven't even told you the best part yet. These video overviews are not just slideshows. The AI actually creates new visuals. It pulls images from your documents, it grabs charts and graphs, it takes quotes and numbers, and it turns all of that into a proper educational video with narration that actually makes sense. You can tell it exactly what you want. You can say, I'm new to product management. Help me understand how AI is changing road mapping approaches based on the 2025 product management report. Or you can say, I'm evaluating remote work policies, focus on the productivity data and workforce diversity benefits from this University of Chicago study. Or I'm in manufacturing. Explain how 3D PDF workflows are replacing traditional 2D technical drawings. You can tell it who the audience is, students, business executives, your team, whatever, and then it creates a custom video. Just for that, this is personalized AI at its best. But wait, I need to tell you about something else, because this is where most people are going to mess this up. The key is not just using these features, it's using them together. It's about creating a system. Here's what I mean. Let's say you're doing research for a big project. You upload all your documents, you create audio overviews for when you're driving, video overviews for when you need to see the data, mind maps for when you need to understand connections, study guides for when you need specific facts, all from the same sources, all customized for different situations. And if you want to take this even further, you need to join the AI Success Lab, because we have the complete SOP and process for using NotebookLM in your business. Plus, over 100 use cases that most people never think of. I'll put the link in the comments and description. Now, let me tell you about the technical stuff, because this matters. These video overviews are rolling out right now. Started a few days ago, should be available to everyone by this week. It's in English first, more languages coming soon. And it works with all the same sources NotebookLM already supports: PDF documents, slides, websites, YouTube videos, all of it. But here's what's really cool. The AI doesn't just read your document and make a video. It actually understands the content. It knows what's important. It knows how to explain things visually. For example, when the University of Chicago remote work study shows how productivity increased by 10% after shifting to remote work, the AI doesn't just show the data, it explains what this trend means for workforce policies. why quieter home environments led to more efficient calls, how the remote model boosted workforce diversity with more women, married people, and non-urban workers joining and succeeding. If you have complex manufacturing documentation showing the evolution from 2D drawings to 3D PDF workflows, the AI will walk through the model-based definition process. Explain how engineers can now embed all product information directly in 3D models. Make it actually useful for understanding technical transformation. This is not just automation, this is intelligent automation. And the studio redesign makes this even more powerful because now you can create multiple versions of everything, different video overviews for different audiences, audio overviews in different languages, mind maps focused on different aspects, all organized in one place, all easy to find and use. But here's the thing most people don't understand. This is not just about consuming information. It's about sharing information. Think about this. You're a consultant, you analyze market research for clients. Before, you had to create presentations manually, write executive summaries, explain complex findings yourself. Now, upload that UK health and fitness market report and turn it into tailored presentations for gym operators, equipment manufacturers, or investors. Use the product management report to create targeted insights for tech startups, enterprise software companies, or product leadership teams. Take the University of Chicago remote work study and create compelling business cases for companies considering hybrid policies, complete with productivity data and diversity benefits. Use the manufacturing PDF to help engineering firms understand 3D workflow transformations, or leverage the Goldman Sachs creator economy analysis for clients in digital media and advertising. Audio overviews they can listen to while commuting, mind maps they can reference during strategy sessions. You just turned one piece of research into multiple client deliverables with almost no extra work. This is why I'm so excited about this update. It's not just a new feature, it's a new way of working with information. But the real power is in the system, in using all these features together, in creating workflows that amplify your productivity. Now let me tell you about something else that's important. The quality of these video overviews. I teased this with different types of content. The University of Chicago remote work study with operational data showing 10% productivity increases. A technical PDF about 3D manufacturing workflows with complex engineering diagrams. The UK Health and Fitness Market Report 2025 with comprehensive industry data and operator trends. The 2025 State of Product Management Report with insights on AI influence and cross-team alignment. The Goldman Sachs Creator Economy Report with financial projections and market analysis, business strategy documents, marketing research, and the quality is impressive every time. The narration sounds natural, the visuals are relevant, the explanations make sense. But here's the key, the better your source material, the better the output. When I uploaded the product management report with detailed insights on AI integration and road mapping trends, it created an insightful overview of how technology is transforming product development processes. When I used the UK fitness industry report, it perfectly explained market dynamics, operator strategies, and consumer behavior patterns. The remote work research paper turned into compelling presentations about productivity gains, workforce diversity benefits, and the importance of hybrid onboarding approaches. If you upload a mess of random notes, you get okay results. This is where preparation matters. But even with basic preparation, the results are way better than trying to do this manually. And remember, all of this is free. You don't need to pay for NotebookLM. You don't need special software, just your Google account and your documents. Although if you're a business or school, there are paid versions with extra features. But for most people, the free version is perfect. Now, here's something important. This update is rolling out gradually. So if you don't see video overviews yet, check back in a few days. But when you do get access, here's what I recommend. Start with something simple, a document you know well, create a video overview, see how it works, then try the customization options. Tell it to focus on specific topics, change the audience, see how that changes the output. Then start combining features. Create an audio overview and a video overview of the same content, compare them. See which works better for different situations. This is how you learn to use these tools effectively. But here's what I really want you to understand. This NotebookLM update is not just about NotebookLM, it's about where AI is going, it's about what's possible when AI actually understands your content. Whether that's a University of Chicago academic study on remote work productivity, technical manufacturing documentation on 3D workflows, UK fitness industry market research, product management insights on AI integration, or Goldman Sachs financial analysis. When it can create multiple formats from the same source, when it can customize output for different needs. This is the future of how we work with information. And it's happening right now. Most people are going to ignore this. They're going to stick with old ways of doing things, reading documents manually, creating presentations from scratch, explaining things over and over. But smart people are going to embrace this. They're going to build systems. They're going to multiply their productivity. Which group do you want to be in? And if you want to go deeper, if you want to see the complete playbook, join us in the AI Profit Boardroom, where we're building the future of business with AI. Currently have 1,000 members who are already seeing results. Or if you need help with SEO specifically, book a free SEO strategy session. Link is in the comments and description, and check out the AI Success Lab for the complete SOP and process, plus 100 plus use cases. All the links are in the comments and description. This NotebookLM update is huge, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. The real power is in understanding how all these AI tools work together, how to build systems that amplify your productivity, how to stay ahead while everyone else is trying to catch up. That's the opportunity, that's what's possible, and it starts with taking action, with experimenting, with building. So go do that and let me know in the comments how it goes. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you share your experience, ask questions, tell us what you're building, because this is just the beginning and the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.